It's the 9th day of Vlogmas, some parcels have arrived, so come wrap some prezzies with me. Well, the debate continues to rage, Marmite versus Vegemite. There's been a lot of activity in the comment section down below. Mostly people falling on one side or the other. Like, I love Marmite, but I hate Vegemite. And others saying, I love Vegemite, but I hate Marmite. A lot of people have said it's what you're used to when you grow up. And yes, Marmite, especially if I was ill, Marmite on toast. My mum would always give me a little bit of Marmite on toast and it would give me that little pep up. I loved it. Yum and power and health. All of those good things. Not that I'm bigging Marmite up at all, because it's amazing. It doesn't need bigging up. It's the best. I think I saw one person out of all the comments saying that they actually like both. Yeah. Interesting, isn't it? Today, I'm not having Marmite or Vegemite. Today, I'm having a crumpet slathered in butter. Normally, I'd have a bit of peanut butter on this, but I decided to go basic. And not basic as in basic beige, but basic as in classic. Just look at that crumpety goodness. And I'm having my Actimel, and I'm having my second coffee in my no sleep cup with my coffee mate. I'm in a break in a training session, but I'm going to show you what we're going to do a little bit later on, once I have finished my training for the day. Also, red and black cherry chutney, those were the two most popular suggestions for my toenail polish, and I'm going to count those up at some point today, just to make sure I'm picking the right one. So what time is it now? It's 11:15. I am going to count those probably at 12. That's my cut-off. So any more comments that come in after that will not affect the result, and then I'm going to try and pick my toes after lunch. Yes, I've got some packages here that I need to sort out. These are prezzies for people. And I need to make the bed, put away some laundry, and sort out the keep-all, because that's been there since we got home on Sunday. I haven't had the wherewithal, the energy, the inclination, the anything to actually empty it and sort it out. Normally, I would do it straight away. As soon as we'd come home from holiday or something, suitcases would be open, washing would be in the basket, everything would be away, and it would just all be done. And it would almost be like nothing had ever happened. We'd never been away at all. And this time, it's just sat there. And we will get into these goodies as well. These are my under the code freeze radar replenishments of stocks, skincare stocks. Outfit of the day is a sequin Santa hat, my rock and roll wife t-shirt. This was created by Rock and Roll Bride. She's a local girl to me. She runs Rock and Roll Bride magazine and blog, and she's over on Instagram. I'll link her Instagram down below. She is full of positivity and colour and fun. I think you'll like her. Go and check her out. So I've got that t-shirt, and then I'm just wearing my grey version of the John Lewis joggers and my Wombles with naked toenails, but not for long. Hello, Daisy. Daisy baby. Hello. We have a winner in the nail varnish stakes. It was pretty close between this one. This is Colour So Hot It Burns, and the black cherry chutney, but you guys wanted to go for the festive red, so that's going to go on my little tootsies. But I've decided that I'm going to paint my fingernails as well, and because it was so close, I've decided to go with the black cherry chutney on my fingernails. So you can expect to see all of my feet and all of my hands painted up shortly. Hey Daisy baby, you having a little wash? Daisy, Daisy, you're so pretty. Aren't you pretty? You're such a good girl, aren't you? Daisy, look at me. Hello, beautiful. Hello. Daisy, look at me. Daisy doesn't know how to slow blink, but her sister does it all the time. It's quite funny. It's my lovely silk pillowcase that I absolutely adore. That looks so much better if you ignore everything around it. Now, I just have to get this keep all 55 back up there without tearing everything down, which I didn't manage when I took it down from there in the first place. I did it with minimal disruption. I actually did it. Oh, my lights aren't on. I don't like not having my lights on, but I'm working, so I can't have my lights on. Look at T-Rex, bathed in the glow of the early afternoon sun. I'm done with work. I'm planning tomorrow, because I'm not working tomorrow. And you'll find out tomorrow why I'm not working tomorrow. Look, I've got a new dealy bopper. I've got this one and another one. I felt like I needed to refresh. I needed a little bit more tinsel, fun, shenanigans, nonsense. So I ordered those and they came in today. I've done the red on my toes. I haven't done my fingernails yet though. I ran out of time in between meetings to give them a quick and I've got laundry to sort out now, so I'm going to go and sort that out. But I figured I'll probably take my little gin with me when I go and sort out the laundry. So let's have a look at the advent calendars. Right, let's go for the gin one first. Where are we? Day 9. Day 9. Day 9. Day 9, 17, 18, 12, 19, 10, 21, 13, 23, 14, 15, 16, 20. Am I I've done it again. It's right in the middle. How do I keep missing the ones in the middle? Please be good. Oh, this looks green. Oh. Oh no. No, no, no. Apple and cinnamon. Well, let's give it a taste. That lid didn't even break. The seal didn't break. It just came right off. Smell-o-vision. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. I like cinnamon. Not so keen on the apple aspect. Oh, well, I'm going to have to... Hubby opened my Hendrick's gin last night. It's my birthday gin from the fam. Bit naughty to open that before my birthday, but yummy, yummy. It's my favourite gin, so... Sorry, T-Rex, you need to move. Are you going to behave today? I thought you behaved quite well yesterday. The hubby killed you. Right, number 9. Here we go. Up the back. Oh, it fell. Oh, it's another peanut butter. Look! It's one of the pieces from the cheesecake one. I knew there was another one. Right. Let's see if the hubby's interested in it today. It's peanut butter.
Is it?
Yeah. Do you want it?
I'll have a bite.
Shall I take a bite and then give you the rest?
Yeah.
Okay. Well.
Thanks.
Yummy?
They're lovely.
Pew pew! Right, I'm going to go and sort out the laundry and then paint my nails. Some of this can go in the tumble dryer. Some of this will have to dry, air dry. Oh dear. I'm so behind on Vlogmas, I'm catching up on Maria's Vlogmas at the moment. I've got my gin. I've got my nail varnish. What could possibly go wrong? I tried. I really tried. I'm just not good at it at all. Just not good at it at all.